Energy flows through your life every second, shaping your thoughts, emotions, and even the opportunities that cross your path. Yet, most people let their energy run wild, like a car with no driver. Here's the controversial truth: controlling your energy isn't reserved for mystics or gurus. It's a skill anyone can master, and quickly, too. Imagine being able to calm chaos, attract positivity, and feel in control of your inner world, all with just a few simple steps. Sounds impossible? It's not. In fact, the most powerful energy control techniques are often the easiest to learn. But here's where it gets interesting: many of the methods you've heard of might not work unless you understand why they work. You see, energy isn't just some abstract concept, it's a tangible force that connects everything you do, feel, and think. What if you could tap into that force to transform your daily life? Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a toolkit of practical energy techniques that can shift your reality. Ready to learn the secrets most people overlook? Let's begin. The role of chakras in energy control. Energy flows through everyone, but have you ever stopped to think about how it moves? The chakras, often described as spinning wheels of energy, are the body's natural energy hubs. Each one governs a different aspect of your physical and emotional self, acting like a control panel for your well-being. Imagine a symphony where each instrument plays in harmony. Your chakras are those instruments, and when they're aligned, life feels balanced. Yet, when one is out of tune, that's when the chaos begins. Curious to learn how to tune into this rhythm? It's simpler than you think. For beginners, understanding chakras can feel like unraveling an ancient mystery. Start with the basics. There are 7 main chakras, each corresponding to a specific point in your body, from the base of your spine to the top of your head. These energy centers control how vitality flows through you. Think of it as a highway for energy. Clear roads mean smooth travel, while blockages can lead to traffic jams of stress and fatigue. Want to unlock the secret to energy control? Begin by visualizing these centers and noticing where you feel stuck. Energy flows where attention goes. By focusing on your chakras, you can restore balance and boost your vitality. Practical practices like yoga, meditation, and even mindful breathing can help align these centers. Picture yourself as a tree, with roots firmly planted in the earth and branches reaching for the sky. Your chakras are the channels connecting these forces. It's no coincidence that ancient traditions emphasize this connection. Intrigued? The key lies in consistent practice and understanding how energy moves through you. But before diving deeper, let's talk about what might be holding your energy back. Energy cleansing techniques. Ever walked into a room and felt an unshakable heaviness, like invisible tension hanging in the air? That's the residue of negative energy, and it clings to you more often than you think. Energy cleansing is like taking a shower for your soul, washing away stagnant vibes that block your flow. One of the simplest ways to reset your energy field is smudging, using sage or Palo Santo to sweep away negativity. Even science supports the antimicrobial and mood-enhancing properties of these ancient tools. Feel lighter already? This is just the start. But cleansing isn't just about tools, it's about intention. Imagine carrying a backpack full of old, heavy rocks, each representing stress, doubt, or conflict. Now, picture setting that bag down. Practices like salt baths or sound therapy act as a way to set it down, helping you release what no longer serves you. A simple technique is to stand under running water, visualizing the negativity flowing off you like dirt. Easy, right? Daily cleansing rituals create a blank slate, preparing you to attract positive, vibrant energy. For beginners, grounding techniques are another powerful way to reset. Stand barefoot on grass or touch the bark of a tree. Nature's energy has an uncanny ability to absorb what you no longer need. Think of it like plugging into a natural charger. Don't have a garden nearby? Even something as simple as breathing deeply while visualizing white light around you can cleanse your aura. The more consistent you are, the stronger your energetic boundaries will become. Ready to explore deeper connections with nature's energy? Let's dive into that next. Tuning into nature's energy. Nature isn't just a pretty backdrop, it's a powerhouse of energy waiting for you to tap into it. Think about how peaceful you feel walking in a forest or sitting by the ocean. That's not a coincidence. Trees, water, and even the air around you carry an energy that can recharge and balance your own. Imagine yourself as a sponge soaking up this natural vitality. Want to try? Hug a tree or dip your toes into a flowing stream. These simple acts connect you to the Earth's boundless energy, offering a reset that no tech gadget can replicate. Harnessing nature's energy starts with awareness. Trees, for instance, are like silent giants, constantly exchanging energy with their surroundings. Place your hands on a tree and focus on the connection. You may feel a subtle warmth or tingling. Similarly, water carries a cleansing and invigorating flow. A walk along a riverbank or a swim in natural water can clear away stagnant energy. Even the wind has a role. Stand in a breeze and visualize it sweeping away your worries. Sounds mystical? Perhaps, but research shows that being in nature reduces stress and enhances mental clarity. What's incredible is how easily you can incorporate this into daily life. Make a habit of spending a few minutes outdoors, no matter where you are. Even urban dwellers can find patches of green or moments to watch the sunrise. The more you align with nature, the more balanced your energy becomes. And here's the beauty of it, nature asks for nothing in return, only your presence. Feeling that pull to explore more about controlling your energy? Let's discuss the power of your intentions next. The power of intention in energy work. Energy responds to focus, and focus stems from intention. It's like aiming a flashlight in the dark. The clearer your target, the more effectively your energy flows. Intention is the invisible force shaping your energetic reality. Have you ever noticed how setting a goal, even silently, shifts your mindset and actions? The same principle applies here. When working with energy, a clear and heartfelt intention acts as your compass, guiding you to align your actions and energy with your desired outcome. Intrigued? Let's uncover how this works. Think of intention as the steering wheel of your energetic field. Without it, your energy might drift aimlessly, much like a boat without a rudder. Setting an intention doesn't require elaborate rituals. It can be as simple as saying, "I release what no longer serves me," before meditating or visualizing healing light flowing through your body. Studies in psychology even suggest that focused thought can influence outcomes, supporting the age-old wisdom behind energy work. Ready to try? Start small, and let your intentions grow stronger with practice. The beauty of intention lies in its adaptability. Whether you're cleansing energy, balancing chakras, or connecting with nature, your intention enhances every practice. For example, when you visualize negativity leaving your body during a cleansing ritual, your intention amplifies the effect. It's not magic, it's focus paired with action. The more you trust this process, the more empowered you'll feel to control your energy flow. Want to learn what might block this flow and how to overcome it? Let's explore energy blockages next. Recognizing and releasing energy blockages. Ever felt stuck in life, like no matter what you do, progress seems impossible? That could be an energy blockage. These blockages often show up as fatigue, emotional overwhelm, or even physical discomfort. Imagine your energy system as a flowing river. When debris piles up, the current slows down. Blockages work the same way, stalling your energy flow and leaving you feeling drained. Want to know the signs? Pay attention to recurring frustrations, unexplained lethargy, or even tightness in specific areas of your body. Your body and emotions are constantly sending clues. Releasing energy blockages doesn't have to be complicated. One effective technique is mindful breathing. Picture each breath as a gentle wave washing through your body, clearing away tension. Pair this with movement, like yoga or simple stretches, to encourage energy to flow freely again. Visualizations can also work wonders. imagine a golden light melting away the debris in your energy field. Sound familiar? Practices like these align with both ancient wisdom and modern therapeutic techniques, giving you tools to heal from within. Consistency is key. Daily habits like journaling, meditation, or even dancing can help prevent new blockages from forming. Remember, energy thrives on motion, so staying stagnant can invite stagnation in your flow. And don't forget the role of self-awareness. Often, blockages stem from unresolved emotions or limiting beliefs. Reflect on what's holding you back, then let it go, piece by piece. Ready to strengthen your energy flow and keep it steady? Let's talk about building daily practices next. Daily practices to strengthen your energy control. Mastering energy control isn't about grand gestures, it's about consistent, small steps woven into your daily life. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Simple, routine practices can keep your energy field clear and vibrant. Start your morning with a quick energy check-in, sit quietly, take a few deep breaths, and visualize a protective bubble of light surrounding you. This not only shields your energy but also sets the tone for the day ahead. Curious how to make this habit stick? Link it to something you already do, like your morning coffee or walk. Mindful moments throughout the day can keep your energy balanced. For instance, take mini energy breaks where you close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus on releasing tension. A quick grounding exercise, like pressing your palms together and feeling the connection, can also work wonders. Ever feel like you're carrying someone else's stress? Shake it off, literally. Shaking your hands or even dancing for a minute helps release residual energy that doesn't belong to you. Practical, right? These simple tweaks can transform your energy field over time. Evenings are perfect for cleansing and resetting your energy. Try a salt bath or light a candle as you reflect on the day, letting go of anything that feels heavy or negative. Visualization works well here. Imagine a stream of white light flowing through you, washing away the day's stress. These daily habits may seem small, but they compound into a stronger, more resilient energy flow. Wondering what comes next in this journey? Let's explore practical techniques for energy control that anyone can master. Energy control isn't just a skill, it's a lifestyle shift that opens doors to clarity, balance, and peace. You've now got the tools to cleanse negative vibes, tap into nature's abundant power, and align your intentions for focused energy flow. But let's be honest, knowing isn't enough. The real transformation happens when you apply these techniques consistently. So, what's holding you back from starting today? Imagine the energy and focus you'll gain by implementing even one of these practices. What could you accomplish? Who could you become? Ask yourself, are you ready to take control of your energy and finally move past what's been blocking you? Your journey starts with a single step, and the choice to show up for yourself daily. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how these ideas are reshaping your life. And don't stop here, make this the first chapter in a lifelong practice of mastering your energy flow. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.